Okay, children. So quickly take out your maths notebook. Children, first you have to understand this. Then I will give you time to write this in your maths notebook. So children, no one will write it right now. I will give you time to write the work in your maths notebook. So first, look at here, everyone. Yes, everyone. Dhruvi, Mansi, Mansi, where are you? Yes. So children, our last property says that the product of children, you can look at in your book also the product of page number 45. So the product of a number by the sum of two numbers is the same as the sum of the product Okay, so Aviral Singh. Aviral, beta read.
Ma'am, write in copy.
Aviral, no, don't write it right now. I will give you time to note down this in your notebook. Aviral, read this property.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly.
The product of a number by the sum of two numbers is the same as the sum of the product of that number by the two numbers separately.
So children, let us understand this with one example. For example, we have 15. We have three numbers, 15, so what this property says that when we have three number, when we add, when we sum two numbers, here you can see that 45 and 28, 38, we are adding it and then we are multiplying it with 15. So this is same as when we multiply 15 by 45 and then we add and multiply 15 by 38. So your answer will be same. Okay, how we have written this, children? You can see that here.
मैंने कलेक्ट कर लिया था.
Okay, those who have done, mute yourself, children. So here you can see that here 45 and 38. We are adding two number 45 and 38 and then what we are doing? Children, we can see that we are here multiplying it with 15. Yes. So it is here the property says that the product of a number by the sum of two numbers. Here we are summing two numbers, yes, and then we are multiplying it 15. is the same. Now it is same as the sum of the product of that number by the two numbers separately. Now what we are doing, this property saying that जब ये इसे separately multiply करेंगे, यहाँ पे 14 और 38 ऐड हो रहा था, yes. Now यहाँ पे student what we have done, we have separately multiplied it with 15. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो 45 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करा, यस, एंड देन वी हैव ऐड, और जो ये 38 भी ऐड हो रहा था 45 में, सॉरी हाँ 45 में, उसको भी 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करा. जो इसका आंसर आएगा और ये आंसर वो दोनों सेम होगा. ओके, सो क्विकली डू दिस इन योर नोटबुक.
मैम ये मैंने कल ही कर लिया था.
ओके बेटा, have you written this property in your notebook, in your maths notebook? If not, then quickly note down this in your maths.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us take another example. Suppose we have 3 multiplied by, and we are adding two numbers, that is 3 plus 9, okay. And so 3 plus 9 is 12. When we multiply it with 3, we get yes children, what we will get? We get 36. And children, when we multiply it separately, 3 into 3 and then 3 by 9, we get here so children, you can see when we have separately multiplied it, then also we get the same number, same answer. Yes, 27 plus 9 is 36. Yes children, have you understood it now? Satyanshu, where are you?
मैम आपने जो लिखवाया उसको ग्रुप पे सेंड कर दीजिए।
दिग्विजय, beta,
Ma'am, I have not.
I write it from here only. I will not share this in group. Beta, I have given you time, so note down right now. Yes, Satyanshu, where were you? Mansi, are you writing? Mansi? Children, I will not send this in your class group. Yes, Prithvi, what happened?
Ma'am, I have a question, Naisha.
Yes, Naisha, what happened, beta?
मैम आपने फॉर एग्जांपल का सेकंड है, आपने 3 मल्टीप्लाई ब्रैकेट के अंदर 3 + 9 और उसके सामने इक्वल टू करके लगाया है। आपने जब ब्रैकेट के नीचे जो लिखा है 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 12, वो वैसे आंसर किसका है? 12 कहाँ से लिया आपने?
बेटा वो 36 जो आंसर है वो 12 3s होता है ना, उसका है। When you add, देखो Naisha, you have added the numbers which are in bracket 3 + 9 12. Yes.
Yes.
Hey Pratyush, beta listen.
मैम और भी
Multiplied it with 3. Children wait. Listen this carefully.
मैम
Beta wait. Students see. First you have added the numbers which are in bracket. Yes. आपने जो ब्रैकेट में था वो नंबर ऐड किया 3 + 9, that is 12. Then you have multiplied it with the number which is outside the bracket 3. So your answer is 36. Okay. Then this property says that it is similar, it is same when you multiplied it separately. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर नंबर है 3 और 9, उसको आप अगर सेपरेटली अलग अलग 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और फिर ऐड करोगे, then the answer you will get will be same when you add in the bracket first and then you multiply. यहाँ पे देखो जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करा तो जो 3 और 9 था जो एक साथ ऐड हो रहा था, यस, उसको हमने अलग अलग मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया 3 से. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड 3 बाय 3, yes, then 9 by 3, then we have added the product. अब 3 3 into 3 जब हमने करा उसका प्रोडक्ट क्या है? 9 आया. yes, yes children. Then 3 और 9 को when we have multiplied 3 and 9, the product is 27. Yes beta. So when we add the product, the answer will be same. You can see here is also 36 and here is also 36. Have you understood now? Yes Naisha. Yes children. Any doubt? Yes Prithvi, what were you saying beta?
No, ma'am.
Beta, I will take another example. First write this in your notebook. I will take another example. Yes Prithvi.
Ma'am, I have completed.
You have completed? Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed. Ma'am, I have to copy the notebook. Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Any doubts? Shashvi, have you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, the number you've written, do I have to copy them in the notebook?
Yes,
The
beta.
multiplication
Yes, beta, you have to
is
copy.
repeated addition.
Yes, children, you have to copy this in your notebook. I have given 2 examples.
Ma'am,
Children, for first example, I have not solved it.
ma'am,
Yes, Pratyush.
ma'am, I don't understand the example. Can you please? We only have to copy the numbers. Why only have to copy the numbers? More time.
Children, wait. Yes, Pratyush, I have allowed your mic. Now ask your doubt.
Ma'am, I don't understand the example. Can you please
Okay, beta, I will
explain it
explain.
again?
Yes, beta, I will explain you again. Have you written this in your notebook?
Ma'am,
Yes? Okay. Children, have you written this in your notebook? Everyone?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Example, mute yourself. Now everyone
Ma'am.
mute yourself. Children, mute yourself. So, beta, in this, children, mute yourselves. Okay, let us take another example. Pratyush, you want me to explain the same example or another example? Pratyush, beta, दूसरे example explain the same. Another example. Okay, yes, that.
Ma'am, multiplication is also repeated addition.
Yes, beta, multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, beta, I am taking another example. So, for example, we have 12. Let's take smaller number. We have 5 multiplied, and then we have 2 numbers for which we have to sum up them. Okay, so 6 plus 4. So children, this property says that when you add 2 numbers, you can see here bracket. I'm allowing your mic. Yes, children, can you see bracket? 2 numbers are there in the bracket.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what we are doing? Are we multiplying or
Yes, ma'am.
what?
Ma'am, you have to write in copy.
No, beta. First understand this. Beta, I'm just explaining this. You don't need to write this in your copy. Listen, everyone. Yes. So children, what we are doing? जो bracket में number है उसका क्या करें? What we are doing? Adding.
Ma'am, we have to add these 2 numbers.
Yes, we are. The sum of 6 and 4 is
10.
okay.
Ma'am,
Then
10.
then ये जो bracket में है.
Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 10.
Yes, wait. So what? ये bracket के बाहर which number you can see outside the bracket? 5. Yes. So you have
5.
to multiply the sum of bracket with 5. Yes. So sum of 6 and 4 is 10. Okay. Now the property says that children, you can multiply it separately. Beta, listen. जो ब्रैकेट में नंबर है 6 और 4, you can multiply it separately. Okay, अलग अलग से आप separately multiply कर सकते हो. So first what you will multiply, ये जो 5 and 6 है, पहले 5 and 6 को multiply. Okay, so you will multiply 5, 6. Then children, you can see that. Beta, wait. Mute yourself. You can see यहाँ पे add हो रहा है. So what you will do? Add. Then you will multiply 5 by 4. Okay. So 5 6 is 30.
30. 5 is 30, ma'am.
Plus 5 4 20.
Ma'am,
So your
20.
property says that children now आपने इसका सम क्या होगा, आंसर क्या होगा इसका 30 plus 20
Ma'am, 50.
yes.
Ma'am, 50.
And now see here, यहाँ पे देखो 5 10s is
Ma'am, 50.
is it
Ma'am,
same?
50.
ये same है yes. So your property says that if you add first the bracket one and then you multiply it with the number, or if you separately multiply the number, यहाँ पे जो 6 और 4 ऐड हो रहा था उसको आपने separately 5 से multiply कर दिया, both answer यहाँ पे भी 50 आए, ये भी 50 आए, so they are same. Now have you understood, Pratyush?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
बेटा किसको समझ में नहीं आया? Quickly tell me. Vivek, have you understood?
To write this in notebook.
Yes, बेटा you can write.
मैम इस पर मैम कैसे करना होगा, इस पर समझ पे नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, अविरल नहीं आया आपको समझ में?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta, let us take another example. Children, don't write this in your notebook. Aviral, आप मुझे कोई भी 3 नंबर बताओ quickly.
3 number 8 7 5.
Okay. So suppose 8 है ये, ठीक है? Multiply हो रहा है किससे? 7 plus 5 से. So this is your question. ये आपका है, ठीक? Okay. So जो sum हो रहा है, जो bracket में है, which number you can see in bracket?
Ma'am 7 plus 5.
Everyone.
7 plus 5.
आप सब यहाँ पे focus करो.
7 plus 5.
Okay, 7 plus 5. So children, your this property says that you can first आप first bracket में जो है उसको add करके और फिर multiply कर सकते हो. Yes, आपको यही किया ना children, ये 8 है, आप ये 8 ऐसे note down करोगे और multiply, और ये जो bracket में है, bracket में number है 7 and 5. So what you have to with 7 and 5? Yes, Aviral. बेटा क्या करना है 7 और 5 जो ब्रैकेट में है?
मैम एडिशन. प्लस 7 and 5.
Mute, now mute yourself. So we have to add 7 plus 5 is, quickly tell me the answer.
12. 12, ma'am. 12.
So 12 8s are, when you multiply it, what will be the product of 8 and 12?
84. Madam, answer is 94.
Yes, beta, listen. You can multiply. Beta, first understand. Yes, Aviral. अब इसमें जो property थी, read it in your note, in your book. The property is saying that when you the sum of the product of that number by two numbers separately. Now, अब listen.
96.
When you multiply it separately, अब ये जो 7 है और 5 है, ये add हो रहा है, yes. That means ये 7 add हो रहा है, 7 और 5 ये add हो रहा है, yes.
Yes,
So
yes,
what,
ma'am.
what the property is saying, ये 8
Yes.
से multiply हो रहा था ना, इस 8 से multiply हो रहा था ना 7 और 5. When you multiply it separately,
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
आप 8 को पहले 7 से multiply कर दो और 8 को 5 से, मतलब separately दोनों को multiply करके फिर add करोगे, then also you will get the same answer. So 8 7s are
54.
Ma'am, 56.
56. 4. 56.
8 5s are 40.
40.
So you will add it, you will get 96 or and 12 8s is also 96. So isn't it same? ये same हो गया ना ये? Yes बेटा यहाँ पे 96. Have you understood it now? Abiral
We
क्या
can
होता है?
write this in notebook.
Yes, you can write this in your notebook. Now this example you can write in your notebook.
Ma'am, please send all the work in the group.
No, beta, I will not send the work in group. I am giving you time. I am giving you 5 minutes time. Quickly note down this in your notebook. Beta, I will not share this in your class group. Everyone, you have to note down from here only. Vivek, have you understood it now? Do you have any doubt, Vivek?
I have done.
Okay, you have done.
I have done.
I have also done.
Okay, now mute yourself.
Then I have done. Number 3.
Yes, beta. Who is saying Ishan? What happened?
Can we mark this example as question? As
Number
example number 3.
Yes, yes, you can write this as number 3.
Then I have done.
You have done. Now, do you have any doubt, children? Any doubt?
No, miss, my work is done.
Beta, if anyone has doubt, they can raise your hand. You can raise your hand if anyone have doubt. Okay, so children, now let us do multiplication. By one digit number. So children, let's take one
It's very nice. I did notebook. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, write this in your notebook, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, we have 10,201.
You have to write in notebook.
Multiply it. Yes, beta. With 4. So how you will do? Children, we are learning how to do multiplication by one digit number. So 4 is one digit number. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how we will multiply? So first you will multiply. You will start from. Yes, beta. You will start from right side. Okay, so children, this is your right side and this is your left side. You will start it from right side. So first you will multiply 4 by 1. That is 4.
Ma'am, equals to 4.
We have studied one property in our previous class, that when we multiply a number with 1, what we will get in product, what we will get? The number itself. Yes? Yes, Shashni?
The number itself.
Yes, बेटा. जब किसी भी
Yes,
नंबर
ma'am.
को we multiply any number with 1, the product is the number itself. Yes, so when we multiply
Yes,
4
ma'am.
by 1, our product
That number itself.
okay, yes. Then when we multiply, then next you have to multiply with tens place. Yes, first you will multiply with ones place, then you will multiply with tens. Like this you will go, like this you will multiply. Okay children, so when you multiply 4 by 0, which property we can see here children?
Ma'am, I have done.
Which property we can see? बेटा कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी कल पढ़ा था ना, एक प्रॉपर्टी when you multiply
Ma'am, 0. Ma'am, when I want to multiply 0 is also 0.
Ma'am, 0.
0, yes.
Ma'am,
So 4, yes,
4 to 8, 4 to 0, 4 1 to 4.
beta, Arab, mute yourself everyone. So 4 zeros of 0. When we multiply any number with 0, the product is always 0. Now we will multiply it with 2. It is 4 to the 8. Then again, children, again the property, the product of a number by 0 is always 0. Yes,
0.
0. And
Yes,
4
ma'am, 0. 4.
like this you will multiply it with one digit. Quickly write down this in your notebook. This will be your heading.
I have already done. Ma'am, I have already done.
बेटा हाँ, you have already done when I am doing it right now. बेटा आपने पहले कैसे कर लिया जब मैं आज करवा रही हूँ?
Ma'am, I am done. Question लिख रहे थे तभी मैंने आंसर लिख दिया था.
Okay, okay बेटा, okay.
Ma'am, I am already done.
Okay, so your exercise 5.1 you have done till question number 6. Yes, everyone, have you done your homework?
Ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we will do question number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay children, now we will do question number 7 quickly.
Ma'am, do we have to write it in new page? Ma'am.
If you have space, then continue from there only children. No need to write in from new page.
Ma'am, I have not done.
You have not done?
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I have also done.
Quickly, beta, those who have not done, quickly write down this in your notebook. I have shared. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Those who have done, beta, open page number 46, exercise 5.1. Question number 7. Quickly do this in your notebook, maths notebook. Question number 7. And then you will tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, now.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done. I have done.
Okay, so exercise 5.1.
Ma'am, the answer is
When beta don't no beta mute yourself. Don't tell answer. Mute yourself. So your question
Ma'am,
is 12,000 children. Beta आंसर मत बताओ अभी. Wait. 12,043.
चीज में करना है.
बेटा अगर स्पेस है, if you have space, then continue from there only. Yes है. Okay, continue from there only. Mute yourself, children. बेटा mute कर लो. Everyone mute yourself. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. When we multiply 2 by 0, then we will get 0. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, children. So you.
Ma'am, my answer is the same.
Your answer is same. Okay, good. So everyone happy. Okay, Anshika, good. Shashvi, have you done?
Ma'am, my answer is also same.
Okay, your answer is question number 8. Quickly do this in your notebook, children. I will ask anyone. I can ask anyone.
And the question also says that we have to write the product in words.
Yes, beta. So you have to write the product in words also. Thank you, Ishan. So 24,086. 20.
I'm done.
4,000. 86. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes. Children, quickly do this in your.
Ma'am, I have done question number 8.
Have you written the product in words also?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Quickly write word in words also, beta.
And I have also completed question number 7, question number 8.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm right. Ma'am, complete the multiply and write